Hi again, and this is Brendan again, EI1429, shortwave listener in the west of Ireland. I just wanted to show you something I've been working on over the weekend. It has to do with the Morse contest that I took part in last week, and the title of the contest was anything in your toolbox could be used as a key. Design your own key and take part in the contest. Unfortunately, I was only a shortwave listener, so I didn't take part, only in receive. So after the contest, I took this idea into my head to use something out of the toolbox that I could use for making a Morse key, just for a sheer laugh. So what I have here in front of me is a 4 GB hard drive from an old Windows 98 computer from a few years back that got rescued. Here's the second one. There was two in the machine, and both of them got damaged. So that's one untouched, unharmed, and all intact, but not working. So what I done was I took apart the lid, took out the circuit board underneath, and just remodeled or moved a few bits and pieces inside in the hard drive, and it works connected through to a program, CW communicator, which is readily available on the internet. So you'll see it there, and connected in. There's a small PC. You won't be able to see it there now too well. There's a small wee circuit just inside the back here, just soldered together, with a minimum of movement, just a minimum of movement. The key works. So CQ communicator, as you can download it, and it allows you to practice or send Morse, send and receive Morse over the internet with other users without actually using a transmitter, which is handy enough. If you want to get a bit of practice in with somebody, you can go online with them, which is something I've been doing on and off on a regular basis. So anyway, the key is here, moves left to right. It's a right-handed key, so you just push a small wee bit and it works. You can also use the paddle to send, but we're not set up for that. This is the first one, so we'll just use the traditional way there. The only difference between this one and the traditional key is, traditional key you press down, or grab it and just tap on it. This key you press sideways, and the reason for that is that the mechanism that reads the hard drive is a left to right mechanism, which slides across roughly about here on the disc. But not anymore, she's not working, but since I got my hands on it. But anyway, it reads left to right, so that was the idea, that it would go left to right and it would work. The key connects, as I was saying, it connects to COM port 1, which is just in here at the back, a little bit noisy with all the fans, and just come back out of there a bit, and just tacked in with 2 wires. I think it's number 7 and number 4, I'm sure. The program tells you anyway, and you can connect it directly to the computer and get it working. So anyway, we're connected and we're ready to go, and just for the sheer hell of it there, we'll try the call sign of the club that I'm involved with in Dundalk in County Louth, EI7DAR, Dundalk Amateur Radio. You can get them online, www.ei7dar.com. So we'll use their call sign just for the sheer laugh of it there. And there you go, EI7DAR, or Dundalk Amateur Radio. So I know a few people who do the Morse up in that club. EI2JD Toss. I think James. I can never remember his call sign. I'm sure he does it above. And there's a couple other. When put under pressure, I can never remember people's names. So there you go. So that's our key, and that was the reason we done it, was make it out of something that you had lying about in the toolbox, and that's our Morse key. Thanks again. We'll see you later. 73s.